Welcome. So, if you haven't guessed from the title, we are doing Valhalla Calling. Now, I'm just going to put this out here. I haven't heard this version of the song. I've heard, I think it was Jonathan Young's cover of it, which is just, oh, that guy is just so fucking good at everything he does. I haven't heard the original. I don't even know if this is the original. I'm assuming it is. Yeah, I've heard maybe 5 seconds of this one, maybe, and that's because of TikTok. I don't even know if that's even what it was, but oh, I'm fighting COVID, and like Sunday, Monday were rough. Like they were. I was able to do things, but I had just a monster of a fucking headache. Then Tuesday is when it really hit me. Like I slept all the Tuesday. I woke up on Wednesday morning, like late morning, early afternoon. I thought it was Thursday. I really did. Like I fell asleep on Monday night and slept all through the night. Well, kinda, other than like the dizziness and the discomfort and all that. But Tuesday, I fucking 24 hours in a day, I'm willing to bet I probably slept for about 22 and a half of those hours. Like I think the worst part of it's past, but like today, like fucking right here is just so it's not sore, it's just like super uncomfortable. Like fucking stupid virus, man. I have the sniffles, like my nose is completely plugged from it. Throat hasn't been super sore. It was a little bit sore yesterday, but it was manageable. Fuck, I can't wait till this shit to be done. Unreal. But anyway, that's a story for another time. Let's get into it. Valhalla Calling from Miracle of Sound. Ooh, I like it.
Ships on vigor of the waves are skimming barren summits to the verdant plains.
Really? You're gonna do this already? I got goosebumps already. Oh, that was... Man!
Horizon is a new beginning, rise and reign. Far from the fjords and the ice-cold currents, ravens soar over new frontiers. Songs and sagas of a fate determined, shields and spears.
Wow. Is this from something? Like, if you guys know, let me know in the comments section down below. But I feel like this might be from something. Like maybe the show Vikings. I don't think it's from Assassin's Creed Valhalla, because I have played quite a bit of that, and I don't recall hearing it. But let me know in the comment section down below if this is from something.
Vows of favor are the thrill of plunder, pulled together for the clan and kin. Clank of hammers and the crash of thunder, bound within. Oh, 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 the
I still got goosebumps. They haven't gone away. They have not gone away. That's incredible. Oh, that was fucking nice. I'm in love with this. I've...
Sails are swaying on the crimson rivers, blood and glory in the fighting fields. Shields are shattered into splintered timbers, iron and steel. Fires are rising and the bells are ringing.
So we get a crew together and we sail at dawn, right? Does that sound good? We sail at dawn? I like that idea.
Glory, take us into Odin's halls. Golden glimmer and the sound of singing as guards call. The echoes of eternity.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Pause. Fucking pause for a minute. I think I just heard a mandolin. I don't know if that's a mandolin or not. I definitely think that's a mandolin. Just songs like this is just it's just how like composition and arrangements of songs like this just fucking blow my mind every time.
Wind and the waves will carry me. Wind and the waves will set me free. Wind and the waves will carry me. Wind and the waves will set me free.
I think we're gonna have to listen to the Jonathan Young version of this. I do. I feel like I have no choice. This song is incredible. I'm not taking anything away from Jonathan Young. That guy is a miracle worker. Every time he touches a song, it turns into gold, but I like this version a lot more. It has that like Viking, like Nordic feel. Like I said, we sail at dawn. That was an absolute masterpiece. 100% that was an absolute masterpiece of a song. Like I like me at heart, I like rock and punk. But the fuck? Shut up, PlayStation. Rock, like rock, metal, and punk at my core. But I have such a weak spot for like stuff like this, like symphonies, orchestras, choirs, like bagpipes, mandolins, like banjos. If you put out any of those, any of them into a song, I'm gonna listen. I love shit like that. Like musical composition, stuff like that, arrangements and all that is just, it's a weak spot for me. But that's going to do it. I'm going to hop over to Jonathan Young's channel and I'm probably going to listen to his version of this. So that's it. That's all for now. I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.